Hello, there will be a recession. Depending on how far away it is, an economic downturn may hit you next week or several years from now. You will ultimately feel its bite, though. Although inevitable, recessions are never pleasant news. However, those who are prepared for difficult times will be better off when they do occur. It's also useless to make predictions about when things will improve, finish recovering, or even reach their lowest point. Instead, I'll outline 5 strategies you may use to maintain your company in your current environment and even make a profit. These strategies will help you weather a recession and possibly even prosper, but only if you start preparing now. So here are the 5 things you can do to get rich in a recession. Number 1. Save money to purchase equities when they are discounted. Numerous studies have revealed that investors frequently become panicked and sell their investments at the wrong time. According to research firm Dalbar, as a result, the average investor's rate of return is frequently lower than the market's own. History demonstrates that investors would perform much better by simply purchasing a wide variety of equities, such as through an index mutual fund, and holding those investments for a considerable amount of time while sometimes rebalancing their asset allocation. Create a cash reserve now so that after the market falls by a particular percentage, say 10% or 20%, you can invest that quantity in a lump sum or by dollar cost averaging. With such a tactic, are you certain to succeed financially? No. In fact, if you invested the money, the market might fall even more. But history implies that the market would eventually soar higher when a market recovery starts, the greater the market declines. Number 2. Improve credit to enable loan eligibility. Lenders tighten their purse strings and make it more difficult to obtain loans during a recession. When circumstances are tough, getting a loan will require having a high credit score. It takes time to build a strong credit history. Therefore, do not put off improving your credit standing till the economy worsens. Make sure your credit is in good shape right away by getting to work. Number 3. Put money aside for a down payment so you can snag a deal on a house. Housing costs are exorbitant in many markets. However, a recession can alter that. Delaying the purchase of a property in the expectation that the price will ultimately drop and you'll get a deal can be a mistake. Timing the home market rarely works, much like the stock market. Rarely, however, does not equate to never. You could be able to purchase a home at a great price when other prospective buyers face tough financial circumstances, and opt to stay on the sidelines if your guess is correct or if you just plan to buy and profit from lucky timing. After all, with fewer bidders, sellers are more inclined to want to sell to you at a lower price. Save money now so that you will have a sizable down payment and be prepared to seize the moment when tough times hit and delicious real estate deals emerge. A substantial down payment will not only enable you to obtain more affordable mortgage conditions, but it will also lower the total amount you must borrow, providing you with a double opportunity to save money. Number 4. Make a significant purchase today with savings in mind. Sadly, few people escape a recession unscathed. Businesses that were formerly thriving may suddenly find themselves in need of more customers and money. Your local contractor falls under this category as well. You may save a lot of money by selecting contractors who are prepared to work for less when times get rough if you plan and save for a significant home repair project now. This advice also applies to other large-ticket purchases. For instance, car dealerships might be more open to negotiating when business is sluggish, and resorts might lower their costs to keep visitors and money coming in. Number 5. Prepare for a shift in employment. Do you despise your job? Even if you do, if the salary is good and the position is secure, you might feel forced to remain in your current employment. However, dreaming is always healthy. So begin considering another activity that you could enjoy. Learn as much as you can about new career options until you discover one that seems appropriate. If the new work demands education, get everything in order, research affordable local or online programs, and be prepared to go back to school if the economy suffers and you are forced to accept a layoff. Less businesses will be recruiting during a recession. But by returning to school and preparing for a new career, you will be in a position to ride that wave as opposed to attempting to fight it. Ideally, you'll finish school with a fresh education and be prepared to work as soon as the economy picks back up. You must start acting now lest it will be too late. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.